Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis. Nifty, Bank Nifty and FINNIFTY. Market profile is the market profile learning. Market profile is the base for this channel. So market profile base vachida everyday live trading session we are doing an index and stock analysis. So coming back to Nifty. So Nifty again on the last working day including today is having 2 days of PPOC. So at the level of 25,000 above. So 25,050 in the level of PPOC when compared to last 2 days including today. So today's opening is almost on the level of PPOC where the Nifty got its support exactly in the buying axis. So that is very important to see. So everything in market profile is definitely for a reason, and this buying axis formed with a P-shaped profile yesterday is definitely to give a support for today, and everything in market profile is a hidden information. So we need to find the information. Likewise, how we are applying for index, the same thing also we have to find the hidden information in stocks as well. So market profile in depth, it is very important to learn the market profile and to not only learning, definitely the practical way of applying the things in a very practical manner is definitely required. More than a theory, market profile tells you a lot of information about the market. So coming back to the buying excess which the Nifty got its support, that is 24,980 to 25,000, where it got proper support in the initial balance period and it was forming a balanced market again today with a PPOC creation. So it was trying to go upside with IB level of extension, but probably this could be the resistance which we have seen yesterday as well. So 25,100 is definitely a resistance, and Nifty to cross this level should have a good buying pressure, which doesn't have it even on today. So it is still saying the sellers are available in the zone of 25,100. So market was stable in the last 2 days above 25,000, but again 25,100 is a very good level of selling. So the sellers are available in that zone, and if you see today's close exactly in the zone of 25,000, whereas yesterday it was forming a P-shaped profile, forming a range at the top and a long buying excess, and that buying excess was used as today's support, and Nifty tried to go above the level of 2500, which was the first level of resistance as we expected yesterday. So market is unable to cross that level. Nifty could not cross that level today, and on crossing that level from the PPOC, if at all Nifty to go above this level, definitely it requires 25,100 to clear, because again and again last 2 days it was telling, so the sellers are available in the zone. So the next important resistance in Nifty is 25,150 to 200. Anywhere it could reject. So this is an important zone after the level of 2500. If at all Nifty crosses this level above 2500, maybe from the PPOC continuation of tomorrow. So 2500, 25,150 to 25,200, anywhere it could get rejection, because on crossing this level on upside, definitely Nifty require price acceptance. So and today's close is below the yesterday's close, but if you see the PPOC of last 2 days in the same level of 25,050, almost 25,000 above, and it is a proper balanced profile today. So balanced market, IB extension on yesterday was not happening because of the wide IB concept as well as the buying excess, but today even after the extension it could not cross this level, saying that the sellers are again available in the zone of 2500. So Nifty again PPOC creation in the last 2 days. So if at all Nifty tries to come down from its PPOC, that is 25,100, then obviously we are expecting 25,000 could be the immediate support system, which happened today. Again Nifty took its support in the level of 24,980 to 25,000. So again 25,000 we can check for the support system, and especially in the buying axis. So it can take anywhere in the buying axis, that is from the level of 24,900 to 25,000 and 24,860. This is an important level of PPOC. Before this, these 2 days of PPOC creation in Nifty, the PPOC of the last 2 days, which also acted as a very important level and then onwards market was started to go upside with a P-shaped profile, and these two PPOCs was acted as a very good level of support. So this level is very important, that is 24,850. So if at all Nifty breaks this buying excess, forming a giving a downside movement, then this could be the better place to check 24,850. And also 24,800 to 750, anywhere it could take a support system. So these are the Nifty upside and downside support system for upside resistance and support system downside for tomorrow as well. For the upcoming days, it is actually forming PPOC the last 2 days, and also previous times also it was formed this PPOC, and this PPOC has been created for a support system that was Nifty saying with a P-shaped profile, and today it was a proper balance saying that the sellers and buyers are equally playing the role. That is why the balance factor happens at the level of 25,000 to 25,100. So this is a very important zone to see. So who's very dominant, who's going to continue the dominance tomorrow, that is very important, because today both of them are equally playing the role. That is why market is actually into a balanced state, but creation of PPOC in the same place, but the closing of today compared to the last day is again on downside. So we have seen the support and resistance. So moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, so we have expected the Bank Nifty that after entering into the gap, what we discussed in the previous video is like after entering, the gap was over on these 2 days, and then onwards it was trying to enter into the gap. So the 51,400, that is above the level of 51,200, the immediate resistance Bank Nifty can reject here is 51,400. We have discussed in the previous set of videos. So today and yesterday as well, Bank Nifty properly got its rejection at the level of 51,400, which is an important level. Again and again the sellers are there. It is saying like sellers are available in the zone of 51,400. So market opened exactly in the level of PPOC, and after coming down we have been expected 51,000, which is the PPOC, as well as the buying zone, buying excess where it could get its support. So properly market took its support at the level of 51,000 to 51,900. So the immediate excess along with this PPOC, so everything back to back worked, and it has provided support, and then onwards market trying to go inside the IB and forming a balanced market for a range. And then on IB extension, even on IB extension, what happened yesterday's high, that is at the level of 51,400, which was acting as a perfect resistance even for today, and we are expecting above this level definitely the price acceptance is required as per the levels which we have discussed so far. 51,400, after this level definitely price acceptance or the buying pressure with price acceptance is definitely required, which doesn't have for Bank Nifty today. So 51,400 is a selling zone even for today. It is saying like 51,400 is again the sellers are available in that zone. So yesterday if you see, there was no IB extension having a buying excess and forming a P-shaped profile. So clear on clear resistance, and again today even on IB extension it is not allowing to go further because of not buying pressure. Again the sellers are equally dominant here in this level of 51,400. And it was having a very balanced market at the top. And if you see the today's closing and yesterday's closing was almost at the level of 51,200 zone, so which is above the level of the previous times resistance. So if you see today and yesterday, especially the Bank Nifty's close on last 2 days, so 51,150 to 200, which was acting as a perfect resistance before, from this date onwards, that is 2nd of August onwards, it was properly taken as a resistance. And last 2 days in Bank Nifty, that is on 22nd August and 23rd August, it was properly getting rejected at that level of 51,200 to 150. So last 2 days, especially Bank Nifty's close is above 51,150 to 51,200 above zone. So this is saying like these 51,150, what we are expecting in the previous session, which was still acting or providing a minor level of support system. But again market if at all if the bank nifty continues to go above this level of 51,200 to 250 tomorrow, then obviously 51,400 will be the immediate level of rejection. So after this level, definitely price acceptance is required, because bank nifty above this level, price acceptance should be required because of this day closing also at the level of 51,400. So 51,400, which is an important zone to see. That is on the date of 2nd of August. And after this 51,400, there is a clear POC rejection at the level of 51,600, which obviously the POC could act as a resistance for bank nifty. So these are the second level, first and the second level for immediate resistance for bank nifty. So 51,400 and 51,600, and above this also we do have resistance, but these are the important immediate resistance for bank nifty. So coming back to the downside. So if at all, if it continues to come below from the POC, that is 51,200 below, then obviously the support system and the PPOC and the buying excess of the recent times from the zone of 50,800 to 51,000, anywhere it could take a support. So the immediate support system to see is 51,000 and 5,900 and 5,800 as well. So these are the immediate support system for bank nifty. And the important PPOC support for bank nifty is 5,600 to 650 zone. This is a very important zone because PPOC creation on this day was happened after this bank nifty was almost trying to hit the level of the resistance, which it could not hit previous times. So after this day only, this PPOC creation only, market started to go upside and try to fill the gap, and then onwards entering into the gap, and then market was slowly going upside. So this PPOC could be a better reference to see whether it breaks all the level of buying support and with excess and the poor low and everything. If it breaks, then 50,600 to 650, anywhere it could take a support. So moving on to FINNIFTY, and tomorrow is a monthly expiry for bank nifty. So coming back to FINNIFTY. So FINNIFTY again opened on exact PPOC of yesterday, market trying to come down. So if you see today and yesterday, market took its support exactly on FINNIFTY. So FINNIFTY was a better level of example to see the efficiency of PPOC. So if you see the last 2 days of PPOC was exactly taken as a open is equal to low on yesterday, whereas today it was taken as a AB actually took its support. That in market got reversed exactly at the PPOC creation, which is at the level of 23,280. So last 2 days in FINNIFTY was taking the exact support from the prior days of PPOC. So this how everything in market profile is definitely for a reason, and this will be a hidden information unless and until we found the data, we analyzed it, and we how best we can use the market profile for any trading decision, that is in our hands again. So if you see, these 2 days of PPOC has been created to support the next few days in bank nifty, sorry, next few days in FINNIFTY. So that was exactly happened after the open market tried to come down to take its support, and then market was perfectly got reversed and breaking this high of yesterday, and it was forming a single print along with a range extension. So double confirmation, and if you see BCDE clear OTF buyers was there in FINNIFTY, and with the level of closing at the PPOC and the closing at the top. So 23,600. So 23,600 was the expected level of rejection because it was the POC which was created on the date of 1st of August, and this POC is the reason for the stop action which was done in FINNIFTY today. So if at all FINNIFTY started to go above from this level of 23,600, then obviously it should cross the level of 23,700 and 23,800, where it could face a minor level of resistance, and the POC rejection again at the level of 23,900. So these are the immediate resistance for FINNIFTY: 23,700, 23,800, and POC rejection is 23,900, which is the immediate which is the important resistance for FINNIFTY. And if at all FINNIFTY started to come down from its POC, then obviously the single print could act as a initial support or the important support 23,500 zone, because it's a very important zone. Previous times it was having a resistance over this level, and after that what happened, FINNIFTY cleared with a level of single print support. So this single print could be checked for any kind of buying support is available if at all FINNIFTY comes below from its POC. So after this, definitely the 23,300. So this is a very important level to see, because it's a PPOC creation, and the last 2 days of PPOC was acting as a perfect support system for FINNIFTY to give a support for the next 2 days in PPOC. And also the IB extension happens on this day along with the single print is a perfect support system that it found in this level of 23,300. So below the single print, then this could be the better zone to see 23,300, any kind of buying opportunity for FINNIFTY. So these are the immediate support system and resistance for index, and kindly do your analysis before you take trade, and this is purely for education purpose. Thank you so much for all your time. Thanks for watching.